video, let us discuss about child welfare and value education. Children occupy nearly 40% of the total population. About 21 million children born every year. There are so many problems for a child. Mainly, they suffer from malnutrition and infant mortality. They are used as laborers in hazardous industries. Measures of child welfare. United Nations in 1959 adopted Declaration of the Rights of a Child. The rights for them are right to survival, right to participation, right to development, and right to protection. Steps taken by Ministry of Human Resource and Development. It mainly concentrates on child's health, education, nutrition, clean and safe drinking water, and sanitation. World Summit on Children. It is done to fulfill the needs of the child. Center for Science and Environment, shortly called as CSE. It reports that children consume more water, food, and air than adults, and hence more susceptible to any environmental contamination. Value education. Education is nothing but learning through which knowledge about a particular thing is obtained. Education is classified as formal education and value education. Formal education. It is a learning process which is self-related. People will read, write, and will get job through this. Value education. It is an instrument used to analyze our behavior and provide proper direction to our youth. Value-based environmental education. Environmental education provides knowledge about the principles of ecology, fundamentals of environment, and biodiversity. What is the need of value education? It is mainly important to improve the integral growth of a human being, to create attitudes and improvement towards sustainable development, to create awareness about national history, cultural heritage, etc., to know about ecosystem, to create awareness on values and their role. The methods which involves imparting value education. Number 1, telling. It is a process of developing values to enable a people to have a clear picture of a situation through narration. Number 2, modeling. Ideal individual values are presented to the learners as model. Number 3, role playing. Acting out the true feelings of the actor by taking role of another person. Number 4, problem solving. Dilemma is presented to the learners, asking them what decisions to take. Studying biography of great men. So through this, value education is imparted to the listeners. So life history of great men is provided as a subject matter. Types of values. Number 1, universal values or social values. It tells about importance of human. Example, life, joy, love, and tolerance. Cultural values. It varies with respect to time and place. It deals with right and wrong, good and bad. It also deals with behavior of human beings. It mainly reflects in language, aesthetics, education, economics, etc. Individual values. They are individual personality and experiences. Parents and teachers are the key to shape our individual values. It is reflected in individual goals. Global values. Human civilization is a part of this planet. Earth are interconnected with special bonds of harmony. Spiritual values. They promote conservationism and transform our consumeristic approach. For example, self-discipline, reduction of wants are considered as spiritual values. So far, we have seen about formal education, value education, and what are the methods which are used to impart value education along with classification of values. Thank you.